Hey guys, what's up? It's Bagelsmith here with another One Piece trading card game opening. I have another two boxes from my case of OP06 Wings of the Captain. Let's get started with the first one. Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, open this correctly. Last two boxes we opened were just two hit boxes, two character rares and character alts, and one character alt, one secret rare. Uh, Onami, Gecko Moria, and Shanks, plus a Sanji secret rare. Pretty nice way to start off the case to get all these characters I need. I know Onami is very much sought after. Let's see what we can get in this box. Maybe we can start seeing leaders. Be cool to see. Let's get started here. Rares are Ryuma and Tashigi. Rares are Ichiji and Worth Killing Time. Rares are Kimi and super rare Hiyori. Rares are Absalon and Decan. Rares are Douglas and Tashigi. Whoa! Rares are Yanji and alternate art leader Reiju. And I really like the art of all the leader cards in this set. And this is the first alternate art leader we've seen. And I know Reiju is highly sought after, from what I can tell. Blue purple? Yeah, blue purple. I'm colorblind, it's hard to tell. Yeah, nice hit. All right, awesome first hit of the box. It's a leader box, so I would expect special, maybe, or just another character alt, maybe, perhaps. We'll see. Here's our Ichiji and Arlong. Come on, focus in. Rares are Luffy and Horty Jones, super rare. All right, we are a third of the way through. Third of the way through the box already. There we go. Rares are Raging Tiger and Zephyr, and our first alternate art Dawn. Rares are Raging Tiger and super rare Gecko Moria. Rares are Kami and super rare Momonosuke. Rares are Niji and Onami. We're now halfway through the box. So we'll have a Dawn, a couple super rares, another at least secret rare or another character alt hit to get. So I need to open here. There we go. King Kong Gatling and Rila for our rares. Okay. Rares are Arlong and super rare Shanks. Rares are Negative Hollow and Tot Musica. Okay, rares are Negative Hollow and secret rare Sanji. Second one we pulled of Sanji here. Nevertheless, a cool looking card. Nice hit. All right, we have 8 more packs to go. 2 hits already in this box. There's a chance for one more, so we will hold out hope. Here's our Suru and Niji. Come on. No. There we go. There we go. Used to be a pro opening these. Right. Oh, rares are Kikunojo, and we have alternate art Absalom. This guy was a villain, part of the Thriller Bark Pirates under Gecko Moria. I think this is the guy who can... I'm not sure. Is this the guy who can turn invisible? I forget. Yeah, anyway. Nice hit. That's definitely all the hits for this box. All I've got left are secret rares, not secret rares, super rares, and one more alternate art Dawn, which we need to pull. This up. Yeah. Rares are Absalom and Kikunojo. There's our Vanderdecken and Brooke. Okay. There's our Blackbug and Aramaki, super rare. Rares are Who Should Disappear and super rare Shariah. Second to last pack here. Rares are Ichiji and Reject. And here comes the last pack of the box. Remember to stick around. I'll be going straight into my second box right after this pack. Rares are Absalom and Douglas Bullet, and our second alternate art Dawn. And just like that, we are back with the second box. So let's get into it. First box, we had our first alternate art leader of the case, which is nice. Maybe we can get another leader. Maybe. We will see. Still have 3 more leaders to pull. Let's get into this box. There's our Niji and Decken. There's our Kami and Dr. Hogback. Rares are Suru and Super Rare Shanks. Whoa. You guys see that? Focuses. That thing is crunched. Well, I don't think it was me. Just the way it was transported, I guess. Rares are Yonji and King Kong Gatling. Well, now I'm going to be paranoid and check all the corners. Oh, this pack looks fine. Whoa. Rares are Who Should Disappear and Horty Jones. Okay. This pack looks good. Hopefully it was just that one pack that had the bent corner. Rares are Raging Tiger and Ichiji, and our first alternate art non. Right. Rares are Black Bug and Super Rare Perona. Whoa! Rares are Absalom and alternate art leader Gecko Moria. Again, I think another popular leader that's come out of this set as well. I love the artwork. Yeah, not much else to say here, but nice hit. All right, guys, first hit out of the way. And we have a confirmed leader box, so probably one more character alt. Maybe a secret rare, hopefully. Or maybe a special card. I guess it could be anything. Rares are Arlong and Super Rare Reiju. Rares are Luffy and Super Rare Gecko Moria. Rares are Pudding and Zephyr. There's our Toshigi and Reject. There's our Hogback and Ryuma, and our second alternate art Dawn. Folks, more than halfway through the box here. Just have a couple more super rares and one more hit left in this box. Wonder what we will get. Rares are Onami and Negative Hollow. Rares are Zephyr and super rare Aramaki. Go. Rares are Top Musica and Ryuma. We are 2/3 of the way through, only 8 more packs to go. There's our Top Musica and Reject. There's our Kami and Brooke. There's our King Kong Gatling and Brooke. There's our Bullet and Onami. 4 more packs to go. Oh, nice. There's our Pudding and alternate art Momonosuke. Oh, really cool. Of course, this is the adult version of Momonosuke. Like the hollowing, and I really like the dragon. See at the top there. Really intricate pattern there on the dragon. Yeah, cool. Nice hit. All right, guys, 3 more boxes. Hits. Packs. Jesus. Packs. 3 more packs. Rares are Who Should Disappear and super rare Momonosuke. Second to last pack here. Okay. Just like move through 3 cards there. Rares are Kikunojo and Blackbug. And last pack of the box. Remember to stick around as I will do recap for all boxes I opened. Whoa, nice. Rares are Suru and alternate art Kami. This was not on my radar. I didn't know she had an alternate art. Yeah, I really like this card. This is pretty nice. All the bubbling that you can see. Yeah. Nice hit. All right, guys, here is the recap for restart. All right, guys, here's the recap of the hits for the 2 boxes I just opened. Box number 4, or 1 of this video, we have our alternate Dons. Then we have our super rares in order we pulled them with Hiyori, Forty Jones, Moria, Momonosuke, Shanks, Aramaki, and Shiraya. And then our alternate art hits, we have alternate art leader Reiju, we have secret rare Sanji, and we have alternate art rare Absalom. Put those guys down for now. And then in our second box, or box number 5 in my case, we have 2 alternate art Dons. We have the super rares in order we pulled them: Shanks, Forty Jones, Reiju, Corona, Gecko Moria, and Momonosuke. And then for alternate art hits, we had alternate art leader Gecko Moria. We have Kozuki Momonosuke alternate art. And we have an alternate art Kami. So that's it, folks. That wraps it up for this video, these 2 boxes. Get these shown here. So we hit 2 alternate art leader boxes, which is pretty cool. Definitely looking for Reiju. Definitely looking for Momonosuke and Moria. But regardless, happy to see all these hits, and knock on wood, no duplicates yet, and hopefully no duplicates going forward. But yeah, you'll be seeing another video of another 2 boxes very soon, I'm sure. But until then, thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and until the next one, I'll see you later.